Rank the following speeds in order of increasing magnitude. Indicate ties where appropriate. So basically we have to convert all of these to the same units. So I'm going to go to meters per second, partly because the first one is meters per second, but largely just because those are the conversions I happen to know. So A, well, that is already 0.25 meters per second, so yay for that. And then B is 0.75 kilometers per hour, but I need to convert, so I'll say, well, every 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. And again, I do that because I want to cancel out the kilometers eventually. And again, I'm going to say, well, every 1 hour is 60 minutes, and every 1 minute is 60 seconds. And so when all is said and done, I get 0.208 meters per second. It's probably one more sig fig than I have, but for this purposes, I'll keep it until it shows that we need it later. All right, and then part C was 12 feet per second. And as a reminder, you don't have to convert from imperials to metric system on the test. Nothing will be phrased that way. This is the kind of thing you might throw into Google Translate or whatever if you wanted to do it. But here I'll remember that, let's see, every 1 foot has 12 inches, and I do that because I remember that every inch has 2.45 centimeters, and then finally that every centimeter, or every meter, is 100 centimeters. And all that will eventually come down to meters per second, so I just have to throw that into the calculator. We get 3.66 meters per second. Okay, which is much larger. And then our final one will be actually a lot easier, 16 centimeters per second, and every 1 meter is 100 centimeters, so this is 0.16 meters per second. So in terms of the order, we want increasing magnitudes, we want the smallest one first, and the smallest one is clearly D, and then after that we have B, and then A, and then ludicrously much larger C, which isn't even in the same ballpark, but there you go.